Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to apply if else condition in LWC. In this lesson, we will be see how to show list of record using for each loop in LWC. So here I will create a component. The component name is render list LWC. Then I will create a Apex class controller and fs class method so that I will retrieve list of account record using the imperatively on click button in LWC. So let's jump to the my VS Code. So I created a component name is render list LWC and I open HTML, JavaScript and meta XML file. In the meta XML file, I define lightning app page so that this component will be visible on the custom app page. Then I will create a Apex class controller. So control shift P. There is a create Apex class. Select create Apex class. Write the name of the controller. So I am writing render list CTRL. Render list controller. Press enter. Select default class and enter. So my controller has been created. Here I will create a method name. So before create a method name, I will put a annotation aura enable. Aura enable. Then I will create a method name. Public static list of account ACC list. I am returning list of accounts. So copy ACC list item square bracket. Select ID, name, industry, home, description from account and return account list item and save. Then now I'm going to the deploy this code on Salesforce. My code has been deployed successfully to the Salesforce. Now go to the HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So there is a JavaScript in the Apex class created a Apex class method. This method will be called into the JavaScript. So this is my JavaScript. In the import method, I will create a function. So first I go to the HTML. I put in lightning card. Title. Display. List of account using code for is in LWC and type icon name custom column custom 15. Inside the card, I will create a lightning button. So that I will click on the button, the display the list of record of account. Lightning button name get account level get account variant brand on click handle action is not a bracket. It is will only passing the fx class, passing the JavaScript method into the curly bracket, not a double quote. So I created lightning button. After that, I will create a HTML table so that I can display the list of record inside the loop. Table class SLDS table SLDS table underscore border SLDS table underscore call border. Then here after the T head table of head. So here I will display the heading of the table TR TH name. There name industry and phone description name industry phone and description. There are 4 columns. After that, I will get T body. Inside the T body, I will create table of row. So TR no. Before creating a TR, I will using for loop here. So before creating a for loop, I need to create a JavaScript. So in the JavaScript, I will be import the Apex class method into the JavaScript. So here import the method. So my method name is account list. Copy this account list in the import account list from @Salesforce Apex. Then controller name. My controller name is this one. Controller name dot method name. Method name this. So I import the method from Apex class in JavaScript. Then go to the export method. So this method we will call into the export method. So here go to the HTML. This list will be visible on the click button. So on the click button there is a custom button, and this custom button there is a function handle action. So copy this action, go to the Apex, go to the JavaScript and create a method. So I created a method passing the parameter event, and I will store the data on track variable. So I will create a @track ACC list. So I create a account list as a variable, track variable. So if you using a track variable, you must the track in import on the here. So must import the track. Otherwise you will get error. So I create a track variable. I create a action handle, that is a button on click, and here I will call the method name. So here we will pass the method name. This is the method name. Then result. This dot track variable, this dot track variable pass the result. If data found, then it is stored on the track variable. You can pass the console log result. If data got, then this list of data will be stored in this variable. If data not found, then it will be passed the catch. So dot catch here will pass the error equal to console log error error. If data found, then the data will be stored in this track variable. Otherwise, it will throw an error. So if I will be write console.log on the HTML page. So I created JavaScript. This list of track variable will be used in the for each loop. So here in the HTML, here I will apply a template for each. Template for each pass the this list of track, the count list for item, SSC item, and the template I will create a tr table of row. There is a key set. So here we'll pass the key set account item dot id. In the tr I will create td to display the column of data. So first column will be account item dot name. Second td account item dot industry. Third td will be account item dot phone and description. Dot description. So I am displaying name, industry, phone, and description in the list of HTML. So now I'm going to the deploy this code. Code has been deployed successfully to the Salesforce. Now I will call this component into the Salesforce custom app. So now go to the go to the Salesforce. I'm opening my custom app. This is my custom app. I will display this component into the page. So edit the page. My component name is render list LWC. This is my component. I simply drag and drop here. Save. Go back. So friends, this is get account. This is a button. Whenever click on the button, account of list will be displayed in the table. So it is a imperatively Apex class method. Do not use wire decorator. I am fetching the record from imperatively on button click in LWC. So once click on the button, the list of record has displayed automatically. So this is a name, this is an industry, phone, and description. So I got list of account list using the imperatively on the click button in LWC. Do not use wire decorator. So friends, do from your side. If you getting anything issue to call imperative method on click button in LWC, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel. Take W3 way. Thank you.